Hi everyone, it's Kathie Ryan here in Bundaberg, Queensland. You've seen before you a 12 by 16 or 30 by 40 centimetre canvas which I've just put some white paint on, and my sister showed me a painting that she really liked, and although it was computer generated, and which doesn't mean much, if you like it you like it, and she's asked me to see if I can do something like it, which I've already told her I can't. But having said I can't, I'm now going to attempt something similar. So here we go. And I got a miserable little bit of green here, which is okay because I just want to do that. And what else have we got? Oh, some blue. Oh, I didn't do any yellow. That'll be alright, I'll get that in a minute. And yeah, blue. Where's the yellow? Here we go. Just bear with me. And we'll do this. And some pouring medium. A bit of a stir. I haven't put silicone in any of these colours, although there's Floetrol in the pouring medium, so who knows. But it didn't really have any speckles in the original, so I thought maybe I wouldn't put it in. Alright, so we've got plenty of yellow now. And you can go over there, please. And what can go next? Purple. Some red. Maybe some white. Made a lot there, I don't think. Which is good because that's about what's there. And what colour is this? That's black. Purple, blue. Some more blue, different shade I think it is. No, it's not. And I'll put some yellow on. And I have some brown, and then we'll go back to red. This is going to be interesting. Orange. Very much like the red, isn't it? Alright. Maybe I'll put a bit of white. Oh, where's the rest of that? No, maybe I'll put a bit of yellow here. Just. And maybe some green. Out you come. And what else? Some purple. And some blue. I dribbled. That should be alright then, I think. And I'm thinking what other colour here? Red. Right, and the last little bit here. Orange and yellow. Okay, so here we go. Now, let me think. I think I just have to tilt it a bit, because I think I might have too much paint on. To the corners, please. Way too much paint, but that's okay. Now, I think I'll take it that way first. Get some more paint off. Okay, so far so good. Believe it or not. Stop barking, please. Hey. Now, so I've got blue here, get our blue stick, and we're going to see how we go. And I have some red. And orange. Purple. And some black. Looking good. The green. This is starting to look very much like what Alina wanted. So I'm quite happy. Alright, let's just see how it goes if I tilt it. Oh yes. Okay. So the only thing it does need now is a bit of white, which I don't have, so I'm sure I don't have enough. Maybe. Let's try and see. So just put in some white. Okay, whoops, don't want black there, want white. Thank you. Too much white there. Bit of red. Okay, so I'm going to leave this, I'm going to torch it. But I think that's pretty close to what my sister asked for, and I really like it. I think it's quite different, and there it is, and here it is. Get some cells, but they haven't spoiled it. They're still, I'm going to leave it because I think it's wonderful, and I'm sure, Alina, what do you think? Alina lives almost 2,000 kilometres from me, so we talk online rather a lot. Anyway, I'll bring you down to have a look and see what you think. If you haven't already subscribed, please do. Click the little bell beside it and you'll be and you will be notified then when I put up a video. And yes, that's my shadow. There's also a link down below to my Facebook group, which is Australia Art Dreaming, and you're more than welcome to come and join us there. The recipes for these paints and the pouring medium you'll find under Show More. And I really hope you've enjoyed this. I have. I think it's great. I'm going to do some more of these. Thank you for the inspiration, Alina. I love you. Stay safe, darling. Bye for now, everyone.